literally right next to the building next to my apartment. Gosh, I get to watch fireworks in the air-conditioned comfort of my apartment, no bugs biting. This is awesome. Good thing I'm not trying to sleep though. That's how I was abruptly awoken last Sunday. They're literally shooting them off from, right, see there's the building next to mine, you can see where the rockets are coming off. Gosh, hopefully no one has anything flammable on their balconies over there. Or hanging any clothes outside their windows. Some of the people do here. There's a cool building over here. Kind of reminds me of a Vegas kind of look. Every so often it animates. But no, it really is. Let me get the curtain closed here. Just a beautiful city at night. There's another cool feature. There's the canal. I don't know if you can see the reflection on the water. I guess that's the end of the fireworks show.